Good morning, everyone. This is Ishan, and now I am going to tell you about BIMSTEC. So, BIMSTEC is an organization which full form is Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. So, this organization is actually for the South Asian countries, and the countries which are here are India and some more of the Bay of Bengal countries. So let's look at the timeline of this organization. So we all know that SARC was founded in 1985, and actually Bay of this BIMSTEC and SARC is very connected to each other. So here it is written that there was 1985 background of SARC, and then if we go to 1992, the Prime Minister of India was PV Narasimha Rao. So he actually launched a policy which was known as the Look East policy. And then there was another Prime Minister of India whose name was I.K. Gujral, and he gave the Bangkok Declaration in 1997. And then only there were some countries, and more countries were joining the BIMSTEC. So Myanmar also joined second December 1997. And then we talk about the notes of this. So its headquarter is in Dhaka, and there are actually 6 sectors in this in the period of 1998, and in 8 sectors in 2005. And there are meetings called ministerial meet where the people discuss together. It is actually known as the summits or the, ministerial meet. So till now there are 14 ministerial meet, and it is a sector driven corporation. Like I have told you, there were 6 and 8 sectors, so it is a sector driven corporation. So we all know that in the previous videos we have discussed about many organization, and the GDP and the population is actually very important in these types of organization. Like we have told you in BRICS, we will also be going to tell you about BIMSTEC. So the total population of the global population, it constitute of 22%, and it is 1.5 billion in number. So the GDP of this organization of total countries is 2.7 trillion dollar. And in the last 5 years, like there was a global financial meltdown, and in that also the 6.5% growth was seen in the BIMSTEC members. So let us talk about the principle of BIMSTEC right now. So actually it is a sovereign equality and territorial integrity and political independence. Like we have all seen the preamble of our constitution, same like principle of BIMSTEC. So these are the principle of BIMSTEC, and next will be talking about objectives. So objectives are actually nothing but the identify and implementation of specific projects. Like every organization have some projects, BIMSTEC also have these projects, and they have to implement into specific organizations and specific countries. So it also deals with the equality and partnership of every country, and it also deals with active collaboration and mutual assistance which is needed in every organization, cooperation and research activity and training, and relation with the international organization. Like BIMSTEC is a little small organization, like UNO and G20 are some big organizations. So these are all the big organizations. They have to meet the international organization with a partnership. So these are the mechanism of this BIMSTEC. So BIMSTEC summit and ministerial meeting is very important because in every organization they have to discuss the problem, then solve the problem. So BIMSTEC meetings and ministerial meetings are very important. Then there are operational bodies which actually deals with the senior official meeting with trade and economic. So these two, SOM and STOM, are the operational bodies, and there are coordinating body which changes between every country. So this is actually the mechanism. And now what we will see is that if India, like we are living in India, so what is the work of India in BIMSTEC? So there was a target of India which BIMSTEC to achieve $900 billion target for the free trade area, and then it have achieved it the target because it was from 2015 to 20, and this is the year 2020, and it have achieved the $900 billion target before time. So like I have told you before, it was the Act East policy which was launched by I.K. Gujral and P.V. Narasimha Rao. So this was also like our Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, so he is also looking to boost this Act East policy again. And then also India's positive trade balance with the BIMSTEC group of countries. Everybody needs that there is more export and less import. So India has a positive trade, which means more export and less import with the these BIMSTEC countries. And then I think that it is the biggest country in the BIMSTEC, so it have the role of big brother in BIMSTEC. And then also it helps in make outside India, like we have all seen that PM Narendra Modi have launched this. So like before I have told you that there should be good partnership and between the BIMSTEC and other organization. So this is the partnership and in creation between SAARC and BIMSTEC. So it is more smoother than SAARC because India sometime have to deal with Pakistan, and there are some affairs between Pakistan and India. So SAARC sometimes didn't happen like in the previous years we have seen. And then there is the also we have seen that we add Thailand and Myanmar in except Maldives, Pakistan and Afghanistan. So BIMSTEC have Thailand and Myanmar but not Pakistan, Afghanistan and Maldives. And now development of Northeast India through road and rail connectivity, like we have all seen the Seven Sisters of India, they have not a good transport facility, and all there are many helicopters there because it is a mountainous region. So we are trying to make a railroad connectivity between these countries with the help of SAARC BIMSTEC. And now we will be going to talk about the BRICS BIMSTEC in creation. Like we have seen in 2016 there was a 15 and 16 October when there was a BRICS summit. Then they were also invited the BIMSTEC members in Goa, and the greater global exposure was also in the three group. And then there are Schengen type of visa, which is a specific type of visa for a group traveler which is in the in these countries. For specifically going to these countries BRICS member, there are certain visa which are for ever with the permission of BIMSTEC and BRICS. So that's all. We will meet in the next video. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe it, share it.